Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this bold lit smoky wing liner, and it does come across very messy when I'm doing it, but I will show you how to clean it up and make it sharp. So if you guys like what you see right now and would like to know how to create this look, stay tuned, and the look is about to follow. And I would also like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and let your friends know about my channel. Without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Bye. So I've already done my brows, and for that I used the Primark Skinny Brow Pencil. So I'm just gonna start off by priming my eyelids first. Tidy up my brows. And this is a new brush I'm using. It's by Anastasia. It's the 18 brush. And the concealer I'm using is my usual Makeup Revolution Concealer and Defining shade C9. Set my eyelids with Vanilla Bean by Makeup Geek like I usually do. And I'm going to set the whole of the eyelid. Take a Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer 227 in Warm Taupe by Anastasia. I'm going to lightly swoop it across in my crease. So it's just going to give me a bit more dimension. Circular motions, so it looks a bit more smoked out. Take this brush. This one is by Colourpop, but I don't think they sell it anymore. I got this years ago, but I love this more than my Zoeva angle brushes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really thin, and I love the little curve that it takes. Don't know if you guys can see it. It has a little curve going up like that, and that makes it very easy to do a sharp liner. So I'm using the Inglot gel liner in number 77, and it feels like it's gone dry. So I'm going to pick it up on my brush, on the tip of my brush, and then wipe away the excess on here. And I am not an expert on liners, so this might be messy, especially on this eye where it folds down. It takes a different shape from the other one. And I'm now going to take Corrupt. I'm going to apply that onto the liner while it's still wet. And I'm using this small brush right here. This one is by Zoeva. It's a detail shader brush. I'm just going to take the eyeshadow and pat it all onto the liner. And I'm going to take this brush, which is by Morphe, and it's the M506. And I'm going to blend out the shadow. Don't worry about it being messy on the other side, because I will clean that up. I'm going to do foundation now, and I'll come back to you to do the concealer and the rest of the face. Now that I've put on the rest of my foundation, and for foundation I used Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 220. I'm going to take this concealer at the back of my hand again, and I'm going to sharpen up the wings. Just going to take a really light amount, and then I'm going to clean up this part. take the beauty blender and blend that out. So I'm gonna highlight with the same concealer. The same concealer in the shade 13.5, and I'm gonna contour with that. I'm gonna just start off by blending out the contour. Now I'm blending out the highlight. It's not budging, so probably don't let this concealer sit for very long. So I'm now going to bake my under eyes, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and I'm going to use my Morphe sponge. I'm going to take this end, take that right next to the eyeliner, so that would make it even more sharp. Benefit Hoola. And pick up more of the powder and bake. To darken up the liner, I'm going to get another liquid liner, and I'm going to darken up this liner so it looks a lot more sharp and precise. But okay, and for that I'm going to use the NYC liquid liner. Tightline my eyes while the liquid liner dries. For mascara, I'm using the Ariel, and I'm not going to do the bottom right now because I'm going to put some eyeshadow on the bottom. I'm going to take all the Bake Off black shadow again, which is Corrupt by Makeup Geek, if you guys have forgotten. I'm going to run that along the lower lash line a little bit, really lightly, just to this area here. And I'm now going to take Warm Taupe again and run that along the lower lash line. And pick up blending brush again and the Warm Taupe and just run that along the crease one more time, really lightly. So for blush, I'm using So Hollywood, and they do still sell this, so you guys can go and get it. I don't know if they stopped selling it and then started doing it again or what, but I didn't see it on the website for a long time. I did see it this weekend when I was buying makeup. So I'm using the Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Bronze. Lips, I am going in with NYX Liquid Suede Lip Liner and Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cherry Skies for both of them. So I'm now going to apply false lashes, and for that I'm using Flutter Lashes in F01. So I'm going to apply the bottom mascara while I wait for the lashes to dry. And I'm going to go in with the liquid liner again and just hide the band. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you guys recreate it, do tag me on Instagram and make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and give me a comment down below. Yeah, happy holidays guys. I'm gonna do more holiday looks, so stay tuned.